Could fallen arches be the cause of long-term shoulder pain? Kyle says he's had shoulder problems for 10 years and that he's always in pain. We noticed he has flat arches in his feet. We tested his shoulders and they were very weak and very painful on both sides. We believe that everything in the body is connected in many indirect ways, from the arches all the way up to the shoulders and beyond. So we took him through a protocol for his arches to see if we could help. And when we finished the corrective sequence, both Kyle and the students said that they could see a noticeable improvement in the height of his arches, as though he had created an inner orthotic. Now listen to his reaction when we retested his shoulders.
Oh, no pain. That's sick. No pain.
All right.
First time ever. My Messiah.
Your Messiah is somewhere out there just using me to help you out. Nothing special about us. We're just showing you the potential you have to help people out.